Hey everybody, Gavin here, back in the kitchen. We are still in the middle of our chicken task to see how many dishes I can make out of one whole chicken. We are down to it. All we have are the breasts. I'm going to make two separate recipes to give us some variation. Today's recipe, I'm going to make a quick, easy marinade. We're going to go to my fridge, check it out, see what I have. We will make something together and let's go. So we have the chicken breast. I'm just going to take the skin off. Peels right off just like that, easy as this. And now I'm going to slice it in half lengthways to create two portions. Straight down the center. Beautiful, look at that. So we got two portions for dinner. Okay, so this is like my MTV Cribs moment. This is what's in my fridge. This is literally what's in my fridge right now, which is a whole lot of not very much. So I think what we're going to do is I'll do something with this orange juice. Maybe we'll do some soy sauce, maybe some ginger, some garlic. Super simple. Let's see what we got. So we got some fresh garlic, a little of our orange juice. And remember, the salt is going to come from the soy sauce. You can go reasonably heavy on that. Ground ginger in there that I found in my pantry. And a little oregano. All of these flavors work really well together. Finish with a little bit of olive oil. Need a pinch of salt. And salt and pepper. There we go. Perfect. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Very important, when you take the chicken off the stove, let it rest for at least 2 to 3 minutes. That way all the juices stay inside the breast and don't run all over your board. It's one of the keys to make super moist chicken. Here's the finished product. I just put together a nice plate to give you a serving suggestion with some roasted yams, a little sauteed broccoli, and our delicious moist chicken. All right guys, there it is, another simple chicken recipe for you. That's it, thanks for watching. If you like the videos and want to see more, please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions of something you'd like me to cook, would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.